Can we have it on the screen as well? Yes, this is Earthing. Very beautiful, Ajay Devgan ji and Sharvari. Both one, let's unveil this. It's called Pyasa. Sharvari, what makes even today special is that we are hosting this event in the H West Ward. Bhushan Vivarani ji, this plan was supposed to happen to the headquarters, but yes, with your blessings and thank you to our Honorable Assistant Municipal Commissioner Dinesh Pallewarki and the entire team of H West Ward. Let's give a big round of applause for all the support what the H West Ward has given to us of environment from 2 decades. The man, the source behind everything, whatever happens about environment, and very thoughtful. Mr. Asif Amla, I would request Asif Amla to please say a few words.
Good afternoon, and of course we have Imtiaz Ali, the curator of this beautiful campaign. A very, very big round of applause for him, and of course beautiful Sharvari Bagh. With me, of course. Acha, Sharvari ke liye zyada awaaz aa raha hai. Okay. Is it? Okay. So then there is Chin here with me. I have my friend from Godrej, Mr. Dhruv from there. Now I have Ranjit Bindra from the Bastion, who has really served us very good food while we were shooting Imtiaz. I don't know if we were a party to it, but of course we were. Seema ji is here. Hussain Lalani is here. My friend from Indoor Publicity is here. From Daksha is here. My friend Harish is here. Rohini from Raindrop, who has managed a lot of media for us, a lot of time for causes, and that to pro bono, and Indra Kataria. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an August gathering with a little of fear because there were very significant meetings, and I was a little worried about the commissioner. I know the commissioner is going to get a little upset with me because I'm repeating this for the 5th time.
And we have the Honorable Guardian Minister, the Cabinet Minister, and a very favorite MLA Advocate Ashish Shiraji. Big round of applause for the family of Bamla Foundation. He's been guarding Mumbai now, but he's been guarding the Bamla Foundation for the last 2 decades. The man with the heart of environment, the changes he has been, and this beautiful film, the brain behind this whole beautiful concept of Bandra Promenade was by Mr. Ashish Shiraj. Big round of applause for Ashish Shiraj. Ashish Shiraj ji, आपने जो बहुत बढ़िया reclamation promenade दिया, उसी promenade पर ये छोटी सी film shoot हुई थी. And I would say, Ashish ji, अगर आप फिर से एक बार वो film देख लें, can we repeat?
This campaign was offered to me. I have always been very concerned about the global warming issue. I mean, before it became so big, I'm talking about nearly 10, 12 years ago, where people used to hardly speak about it. I was always very concerned, and I used to follow things, used to talk to my children about it. And I really felt that what Rohit also said, I used to always feel that we were trying to do so much, and the only excuse we have when we say we're trying to do so much is for our next generation, for our children and things like this. But what if they don't have a place to live? So this always did concern me, and I think I always thought of protecting, trying to protect. And my way of doing it is by creating awareness. Whatever little bit I can do myself, I do, definitely do, like switching off lights and things like this. But it has to be done, each person has to do it. So we can only create awareness, and सबको साथ में जुड़ना पड़ेगा, तभी हो सकता है।
And as Commissioner Sir said, it's not a authority issue नहीं है ये public issue है. And when he said public, that means all of us, which includes everyone. And जो ये वीडियो बने हैं जो इम्तियाज ने डायरेक्ट किए हैं, अजय सर, शर्वरी have taken the initiative is to create the awareness. Because awareness से ही हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Because जो harm है वो रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में नहीं हो रहा है हम पर, इसलिए शायद हम उसे रियलाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट जब वो होता है तो वो बहुत बड़े लेवल पर होता है. एंड वो किसी एक कम्युनिटी या कोई एक सोसाइटी या कुछ लोगों पर नहीं होता है. इट अफेक्ट्स द होल सिटी समटाइम्स, इट अफेक्ट्स द होल कंट्री समटाइम्स, एंड इट अफेक्ट्स मैनकाइंड, आई वुड से. सो आज का जो इनिशिएटिव है इज टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस more than anything else, and it should be like a chain. कि शुरुआत हम यहाँ से कर रहे हैं, बट ये अवेयरनेस बढ़ती जाए, और ख़ास करके आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए हम जैसे हम अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, ये सोच करके अब हमारी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, आगे जो हमारी फैमिली है, वो आगे कैसे बढ़ेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट टू द होल कमिंग जनरेशन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. And that's what I would like to finish with. I think वीडियो देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि वो वीडियो बनाने का रीज़न ही ये था कि ज़्यादा बात ना करें, अवेयरनेस डिजिटली कैसे आगे बढ़े.
The audience and all the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you so much to Asif sir, to Seher and the whole Bangla Foundation for not just doing the work that they do, but also encouraging everybody else to do the good work and to help the environment in every way possible. This film is actually really sweet and very special. Thank you, Imtiaz sir, for directing me. It's always been a dream come true, and I've always wanted to be directed by you, so this really feels special. And thank you so much, Ajay sir. It was really so much fun working with you, hanging with you, having a side chat with you through the times that we shot the film. And I can't wait to hopefully be on some set with you again. Thank you, Bhushan Kadrani ji sir, and everyone at the DMC who do such amazing work for our city, for our country. Thank you so much, Ashish ji, for everything that you do for our city, for our country. And I just would like to say one thing, that this awareness campaigns, especially for everybody, also the youth, and I think the only thing I would say is that don't wait for change, be the change. And the most special thing about the film is that it says dharti ka take care karo apne style mein, and that I really like, because I'm also learning, and I think all of us are, and that apne style mein is important, because do whatever as much as you can do. So thank you so much.
हाल है दुनिया भर का, वो ऐसा है कि जब हम लोगों को अप्रोच किया गया, और जब मैंने अजय जी को, शर्वरी को कहा कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, तो सब लोग बहुत जल्दी से तैयार हो गए. क्योंकि हम सबको एहसास है, सब लोग यहाँ बैठे उनको भी एहसास है कि इस दुनिया को शायद हम हमेशा के लिए तो नहीं बचा पाएंगे, क्योंकि जो हो चुका है उसको पूरी तरह से रिवर्स करना शायद पॉसिबल नहीं है. मगर हमारे पास सिर्फ एक चारा है कि हम उसको कोशिश करें, जितनी देर तक वो हेल्दी रह सके. और जो हमारा भी मैसेज है वो ये है कि धरती अपना ख्याल रख लेगी, हम जो इंसान हैं हमें अपना ख्याल रखना है, और ये हम कर सकते हैं टू बी इफ़ वी आर इन टच विद द अर्थ. जैसा कि अभी भूषण जी ने कहा कि ये पॉलिसी से सिर्फ नहीं हो सकता है, ये कोई चोर पुलिस वाला खेल नहीं है. ये वो वाली फिल्म है जिसमें हर को जागना पड़ेगा, एंड हर को थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा. ऑल ऑफ अस ओवर हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री, रोहित, myself, अजय, शर्वरी, एंड एवरीबडी हु इज नॉट इवन प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. Rohini, I consider you also part of the film industry. I want to contribute. We want to lend our voice, our efforts, our work into taking forward the vision of the BMC, of the government, of the country. And we congratulate Mr. Asif Bangla and his foundation for
having such a long sustained battle against not only environmental disasters but various other disasters and other problems. So thank you for being here.
अजय जी फैन ऑफ कर देते हैं जो बाहर निकलते हैं कमरे से, और नीरज जी भी करते हैं, ये भी पता चला है। और एक्चुअली हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे सेट्स पे प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स ना हो, और बहुत मुश्किल होता है फिल्म शूट में प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स का ना होना, बट वी ट्राई टू डू दैट एंड ऑल लाइक यूज लेस। बचपन में मैंने सुना था प्लीज यूज लेस सेव एनर्जी पॉइंट्स। So I remember that as a kid, and I have always executed that. I think all of us can do that. Over to Rohit. When I spoke earlier also, it's just not one thing. It's gradually day-to-day life. There is so much of progression also happening. There are so many products coming in, which you have to be careful whether we should use this or not. There are solar panels now, like you get for your buildings, like for electricity. Now you see the EV cars are also coming. So these are the small things which are very important, you know. And day-to-day basis पे हम exactly every day we all are aware of, like Imtiaz said about electricity and everything. But on day-to-day progression, like how can we help? Not only us, our family, but the authorities as well. And how can we be a part of them? And be helpful to them, not only complaining कि ऐसा हो गया, but being a part and being helpful to them, because they are not answerable to us. We are answerable to our city. We are answerable to our country. I think like everybody said कि सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ करना पड़ेगा। मैं ये जरूर समझता हूँ कि अचानक आप इसके बारे में सोचें और लाइफ सबकी पूरी चेंज करते हैं, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता। लेकिन अगर आप छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करने लगे तो हर बात पे अगर आप कॉन्शियस रहें और जो भी आप कर रहे हैं उसमें सोचें कि इसमें नुकसान कितना है और फ़ायदा कितना है। जैसे मुझे 5 साल हो गए, मैं प्लास्टिक की बॉटल यूज़ नहीं करता, प्लास्टिक का पानी पीता हूँ। तो 5 साल से इट्स बीन अ रूल इन माई हाउस, मेरा भी है। जैसा इम्तियाज़ कह रहा था कि वेरी कॉन्शियस कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट ना हो, और सिंपल थिंग्स ऑल्सो लाइक कि अगर कोई कहता है लेट्स गो फॉर अ ड्राइव, मैं बोलता पोल्यूशन की बताऊँ, फ्यूल वेस्ट। सो दीज आर स्मॉल थिंग्स जो दे आर नॉट सैक्रिफाइसेस, दे आर बीइंग, आपको सिर्फ कॉन्शियस रहना है कि इससे क्या नुकसान हो सकता है। उतनी चीज़ें अगर हर आदमी करने लगेगा तो आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा फर्क पड़ेगा। किसी एक आदमी के बहुत बड़े करने से बहुत बड़ा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। एंड दैट्स इट, एंड वी आर हियर ओनली बिकॉज आप लोग से थोड़ा बहुत प्यार जो हमें मिला है, तो हमें कभी कभार ऐसा लग जाता है कि एक दो बातें आप लोग हमारी सुन लेते हैं, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं बोलने की, ताकि आवाज़ कारों तक पहुंच जाए। फिर करना नहीं करना तो लोगों के हाथ में होता है, बट हम तो कोशिश करते हैं।
Thank you, Ajay ji. That was so.
Most of the points were covered by Imtiaz sir, Rohit sir, and Ajay sir. But since you asked that if there's something that we do in our personal life, I think the smallest and the simplest thing would be to reuse. I think that what I generally do, even when I go for shoots, I carry my own cutlery and I carry on my own plate. It's a really small thing, but it's important that you're not using something and throwing it. You're just bringing it from home and eating, and everybody can take it to their office and wherever you go, really. So that's something I do, but I think everything else they have covered, and thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.